In the last video we have learned about input decorator. There we are passing data from that parent component to child component. In this video we are going to learn output decorator. There you are going to pass from child component to the parent component. So first open that one child component.ts. Here we are going to use that output decorator. And the name of that output decorator will be that item array list is equal to, here it will be like a new event emitter. So this should be also come from the angular.core. So add it here and remove this one. So this one will be the string array because I am going to pass that a list of and then bracket, right, this. So in the child HTML, so first we will write here that this one will be the child component. Make a breakpoint first, then bold, I am in the child component. Okay, this one, I am in the child component. Now first we'll create that input, type text, then reference variable will be the item name, then close, make a breakpoint here, and here also make a breakpoint. Now we're going to add that button, then it will be click event and item. Same like here, I'm going to pass that item. So add item. Now it's done. So this one, that child component.ts, first we'll check that decorate selector. So this one app dash child. Now we are going to add this one into app component.html. Okay, here we have added here. So you can see here, first we have created one that text box, then one button. Now copy this one, add item, that item name, it will be the HTML input element. Now we'll create one variable that is a string array. So item array list, that will be the string array, and first it will be empty. Oh, this one we'll change, this one item array output, change this one. Now first we are going to add this value, this dot item array list dot push, that item name dot value. Now we are going to emit that emitter, this emitter, and we are going to emit which value you need to pass. So you have to write like emit method, and here you are going to pass. So what you are passing that value, this one value you are going to pass to parent component. Now you are going to clear the text. Once it added, then clear the text. So dot value is equal to blank. Now focus the text. Now focus. Oh, sorry, this one will be not come dot focus. because it's a local variable, it will be focus. Okay, till now it's okay. So what we have done here, first we are adding to the array list, so that we are using that push method, so that item value we are adding, then we are emitting that particular value, that item array list we are emitting. So this one, once we are going to emit this value, that value it will be passed to that parent. Now that text box is clearing, then focusing. So go to the app component here. So in that input decorator we are using property binding, but here for output decorator we have to use that event binding. So event binding you have like that, and to call that item array output, so call this item array output. Now add one method, so that one method will be add item from child, then dollar event. Okay, so these methods we are going to call in the app component. So call it here. So this one value will be the dollar event. Now make an array list to item array list. So it will be the string array. First it will be blank. Now this value we are going to assign. So this dot item array list equal to dollar event. And this value, that item array value item array list, we have to display here. So make a bold. Okay, right line, I am in the parent component. This one will be the top. Okay, make a breakpoint here. Okay. Now use that UL, then li, then a structural directive, that is a star nz for, then let keyword, then item of this list, item and list. So we are going to use interpolation and item. Okay, now run the application. So CLI command is like a ng serve dash open. Click on, press on enter, then you will see an application will run. Now you can see here I am the child component. Let's try to add apple. Let's see if we will. Now it's, you can see here, then mango, again add, then laptop. So here passing data from the child component to parent component, then desktop. Okay, so here you can see that you are passing that single data, means like say only you are passing one value, like a string array. So how you will pass that multiple value? If you want to pass that one string array you are passing, then you want to pass that count also. So how you will pass? Let's see. Nothing you have to change, not so much. Just click this one, make a bracket this one. First write it here, item name, make a bracket. Use the braces here. First will be the item array, second will be the counter. So write the counter and it will be number, right? So now here I am going to pass two values. First one is the item name, second one is the number. So create one more value, that will be the counter and it will be number. So counter will be that. So this dot counter equal to this dot array list, this dot array list dot length. Okay, here you have done. Now this value, first make a braces here also. So this one will be the item name. Okay, and then next one will be the counter. So counter colon this dot counter, make a braces close. Okay, now you got that. You are passing that two value. So something you need to change here into app dot component dot ts, because here you are passing that one event. So one more value you have to write here, that is a counter. It's not like that this one should be same like here. You can put the any name. You can write the any name here. So counter. So this dot counter equal to dollar event dot counter. Now this one dollar event, so value will become this, copy this one. Okay, now for item name you have to copy from here. So dollar dot event dot item name. Got it? Now something to change here, that already done. So I need to assign this value to HTML. So make a break here. So here we are going to write total number of items count. Okay, so it will be counter. Okay, so here you can see that we are passing two value. One is that just use the braces. If you want to add more, so you can make a comma or you can add. So here I put the assign the name, that will be string array, and next one will be the number. So here I am assigning that that is string array is that. So I am assigning the string array, that is item array list. Item array list is also string array. And then second one is the number. This one is a number, that is a counter. So counter is also number. I am assigning this dot counter here, that item array list dot length. So here you can say that counter I am assigning. Okay, so the same that variable I am getting in that app component or ts. So that dollar event I am assigning that item name and then counter. So save that. Let's check. So here, right, first one is the apple. Now you can see apple and total number of items count. Both these two I am passing from the child component to the parent component. So here is the apple and count is 1. The next one is the mango, then add item. So here you can see that 2, then laptop 3, then desktop 4. Okay. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment sections.